Well, you know why we have this plunger here. Tell them why.
The sink is about to overflow.
What?
Fart.
But what is it really?
Burp.
No. What is it really doing?
What?
Is it flush? Is it clogged? Is it?
It's clogged.
Yep. That's why we have that plunger. And you hear the sound of a ball. Look at our new washer. Yeah. It's a double new price.
This is as far as I can get it to.
Wait, watch. Watch this. Marco, watch it.
What?
That's a good price. This Calgary. Full time. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, you want to see our bath? It's old, like you want to poop in the bath. Who's pooping in the bath? I'm not. I'm just giving them a good view of it. And our bathroom isn't quite big. And now let's check the mysterious part about our... You can hear Bobs again. Whatever I hear, you can hear. Okay, guys? What? Close the door that's opened. Close the door that's opened. It's an unreasonable door. Now close it. There. We're gonna spend the whole day in Halloween. Halloween! Yes! Oh my God. Wait, oh man.
Let's just get out of the house.
I'm Batman for Gold City.